Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Scott, and today we're gonna talk about the PDF GPTs. So we building a GPT database, actually like actual database based on the PDF file that we upload to Pinecone. So we will be using the PDF to building an actual or probably like enhanced contents for the GPT searching. So based on our knowledge at this moment, so the GPT not allowing us to actually upload like the big size of the file like PDFs or even like the books stuff. But what if you want to getting the information from the books, from those contents that you upload to the internet, or some like a new contents generated every day? So my idea in here is just we changing those information, those new generated things, those like secret database into the PDF. Then we upload it into the Pinecone and then using it as an actual database. And then we're searching the queries based on the informations in the PDF and also for the GPTs. So we're using those both content together to actually do the searching. So let's look at the app. So we can firstly looking at the developing map for this project. So what we have is basically we just input the PDF into the Pinecone. This is kind of like a vector database services providing by the Pinecone itself. And also the Azure and also AWS also providing these services. So you can also check it out. But in here, we're just using the Pinecone itself. And then we building our knowledge base based on this PDF. And then we like embedding them into the like the Pinecone. So we ask for the questions, and then it's just embedding the questions and searching in the vectors, or like using the matrix to do the searching based on the question we ask. And then they just getting those relevant contacts, and then also for our original question, they combine them together, become like a context enhanced query. And then we input them into the OpenAI, and then we just generate the answer. So this is basically the logic for those vector embedding. And we building everything using Python. And also we building the interface by the JavaScript and also for HTMLs. So we combine everything just like setting up with a Docker, and then we're using the Microsoft Azure services, like the app services, and also for the container registry. And then we deploy the app using the Azure. So let's take a look at the app itself. Firstly, we're gonna ask you for the OpenAI API key, since I want to setting up this app for free at this moment. But I mean, it's not like technically free. You need to have your own OpenAI API key, which that probably will cost you a little bit. But each question is just like few cents or even less. So you can actually get and try it out. If you don't know how to get your OpenAI API key, I have in my repo. So you can having your easier just like getting logging from your OpenAI to get your OpenAI key, from get your API key, or you can just checking out for this article. They having the full step to getting your API keys. So after we getting input our API key, the page will automatically process you to the PDF GPT functions. So we can choosing anything we want. So in here, we're using the non-binary gender data search reflection PDF as an example. So we upload those PDF, and then we can ask a question. So like, tell me why this racial identity matter for the scientist. So actually, I personally write those articles. So the like online or like previous years, it won't having anything, won't having any information regarding with the idea in this specific article. So we can actually let's try this. Let's go to the OpenAI GPT. So let's ask exactly the same question. Let's see what it gives us. Okay, so basically they give us like those informations for this specific questions like online. but we can go back in here, and if we click the get answer, it will generate the answer based on this PDF, and then do the searchings using the query that we ask to do the enhancement for these specific questions. So as you can see, it's giving the questions like kind of like differently, but it's based on those article that I wrote. So yeah, so this is basically how this function gonna be work. But in order to using this app, you're gonna having your OpenAI API key, and also you need to apply for your own Pinecone APIs, and also setting up your account, and also for your environment. So I having the full guidelines in my repo. We can take a quick look for the code. So we only having actually two basic functions. Firstly, just like process the PDFs, and then the second, just like getting the answers. And then using these functions, you can just basically process the PDF to the Pinecone to building the database, and then using the OpenAI to get the answers or embedding the answers from the vectors. So it will be even faster, and it's working really smoothly. So yeah, this pretty much I have for this project. Thank you so much.